guys, just thought I would show you guys where I'm at so far, how things are going, where along I'm getting. Of course, the boring stuff like the King's Chamber, it's really just a cube. Still, I got to put in the so-called sarcophagus. And I was noticing there some of the relationships of the situation of the sarcophagus building, or in the room. It's how it's not centered and stuff. It's almost like the Fibonacci sequence. If you look at the room and how it's separated. Oh, where am I here? Like you can see on this survey, sarcophagus is here. And obviously that's not the center of the room. Right. Because this center of the room is like right here. So yeah. It's almost like it's situated over thirds. And then this height of the sarcophagus also being the same height as the hole. Working on this part 2 here. Central part. Like I say, I'm trying to design this, or not design it, rediscover it as it would be when it was operational. I've seen a couple explanations that that these would hold a cylinder with a rope around it, and the gaps on the side wall up here, or the grooves, was the way the ropes went, but I don't know. Doesn't quite seem right. Something screwy there. I think it was easily accessed because they had to keep continuously adjusting how much flow went into the King's Chamber for some reason. And the extra the extra stone might actually just been due to sheer pressures that it had to endure. Of course, the Great Hall here. Working on that. It's up to snuff. Let's see if we can look at it. A little better view. Yeah, I got all the normals backwards and stuff. So. It's, well, here, actually, if I get it under edit mode. And give a different view. Yeah, see, I don't got no lighting in here, so it's not showing up properly. If I went tabbed into edit mode and let's say click them. clicked on here and oh, not A. And snap cursor to selected. Tab out of there. And light. That's that sunlight. Grab it along the Z axis and put it in the right spot. Still not casting. Strength. Oh, strength 1. Let's see if I can crank it up and see what that does. If that helps. Okay, no, that's not the problem. I think the problem is my normals are backwards. Select all. Mesh. What are there? Go back through this. That still doesn't work. Not sure what's going on at the moment. I'll figure it out. I'm just picking up my blender again. Haven't played with it for a couple of years, so it's funny how muscle memory kicks in. Anyhow, of course, we got the Queen's Chamber here. And it's all spec'd out to the exact numbers. And they said that this is the hole there was the next chamber that they were going to add. Bullshit. It was just friggin' people trying to steal. There was either something in here, some kind of a tuning fork tool, or they needed to put this in there to change the frequency, the sound vibrations of the Queen's Chamber. That void would cause a reverberation change. Anyhow, and of course I haven't done anything at all to down here other than put it on the thing, or put it where it's supposed to be. Like I say, everything's all spaced out and set up as it was surveyed. And this is funky, eh? Like even on this survey, like small passage. Yeah, well, why don't I hear anything about small passage being in the lower chamber of the pyramid? Because you guys have been lying to us. That's why. Wasi, or whatever your name is there. Egyptian Antiquities guy? Yeah. Whatever. Different stories. Just as bad as the same situation with Gobek Blade Tappy of misinformation. Because it screws up their timeline. This is the next mission. Putting in the stone. Or the stones. That's the one angle. Let's see, this one? No. This one. This one. Oh, it's hidden. Alt-H things? Alt-H makes things unhidden, hopefully. that's the pyramid. Huh. Oh, maybe it's weird. Might be because I'm in edit mode. Or I just got rid of the picture because I figured it was in the way. Weird. Anyhow, yeah, there's the pyramid, how it's situated in relation. Now if they'd stop messing with archaeology and actually do their job and check out if there's an actual void above the Grand Hall right up in here and whatever's going on underneath, they'll start showing that there was a civilization that existed that was just as advanced as we are, possibly even more so when it came to stonework and the utilization of ultrasonics. Yeah. Well, I've been going on for 11 minutes, 27 seconds, so I'll call her quits there. Have a good one, guys. God bless.